she's very social. Oh, good girl. Yay!
Shall you eat it? Very good. Very good.
어떻게 그렇게 먹는 거야? 아이고 너 하우시 너무 돼. 하우시 너무.
It's too hard to pick up, right? Here. There you
Good
go.
girl.
이제 맛있어요, 맛있어요.
He's like, look at me. This is nice, actually. Put it up. I think on Saturday I came, Sheila was trying to get this, assemble it and put it.
Oh, is this your first time? Oh, you've been here. This is your
Well,
first- oh, yeah, you were in
I didn't-
Toronto.
Yeah,
but
very
not after you
nice.
moved in. I came here the Saturday when you guys were painting. And
She doesn't like egg that much, actually.
Yeah.
Pure egg. But none of us do. Andy doesn't, I don't.
Janie's youngest is actually allergic to egg.